Wall-hanging shelves and wall-hanging wood crafts have become increasingly popular in modern home decor, offering a multitude of advantages for revamping living spaces. These versatile pieces not only serve practical storage functions, but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of a room, creating a dynamic environment that reflects personal style. The benefits of incorporating wall-hanging elements into home decor are numerous, making them an attractive option for homeowners looking to refresh their living spaces. One of the primary advantages of wall-hanging shelves is their ability to maximize vertical space. In many homes, floor space is limited, especially in urban settings or smaller apartments. Wall-hanging shelves provide an effective solution for utilizing vertical areas that might otherwise go unused. By elevating storage and decorative items off the ground, wall shelves create an illusion of a more open and spacious environment. This vertical utilization can significantly enhance the overall flow of a room, making it feel less cluttered and more inviting. Hello there! Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wall-hanging wooden shelves you can use to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to maximizing space, wall-hanging shelves allow for greater organization. They offer a practical way to display and store items, keeping surfaces clear and tidy. Homeowners can use these shelves to showcase books, plants, photographs, or decorative pieces, creating visually appealing displays that enhance the character of a room. The organization provided by wall shelves contributes to a more serene living environment, as clutter is minimized and everything has its designated place. This sense of order can lead to improved mental clarity and well-being, making living spaces more enjoyable. Aesthetic appeal is another significant advantage of wall-hanging shelves and wood crafts. These elements can serve as striking focal points in a room, drawing the eye and adding visual interest. The variety of designs, finishes, and materials available means that homeowners can choose pieces that align with their personal style and the overall decor theme of their space. Whether opting for rustic wooden shelves, sleek modern designs, or artistic wall crafts, these elements can enhance the beauty of a room and contribute to its overall ambience. Moreover, wall-hanging wood crafts can infuse a sense of warmth and character into a living space. Natural wood brings a touch of nature indoors, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The unique textures and grains of wood can add depth to a room, making it feel more lived in and personal. This organic quality contrasts beautifully with the often sterile feel of modern materials, allowing for a more balanced and harmonious environment. By incorporating wooden elements, homeowners can create spaces that resonate with comfort and authenticity. The versatility of wall-hanging shelves and wood crafts further enhances their appeal. They can be used in virtually any room, from living rooms and bedrooms to kitchens and bathrooms. This adaptability allows homeowners to curate their spaces in a cohesive manner, ensuring that design elements flow seamlessly from one area to another. For instance, a series of wall shelves in the living room can be complemented by a wooden wall art piece in the dining area, creating a unified aesthetic throughout the home. In addition to their decorative and organizational benefits, wall-hanging shelves can also encourage creativity. Homeowners can experiment with different arrangements, styles, and displays, allowing for a personal touch that reflects their individuality. This creative process can be a fulfilling and enjoyable experience, transforming the act of decorating into a form of self-expression. By customizing their wall shelves and crafts, individuals can create environments that are not only functional, but also deeply personal and meaningful. The act of displaying personal items, such as photographs, travel souvenirs, or beloved books on wall shelves can foster emotional connections within a home. These displays tell stories and evoke memories, making the living space feel more intimate and connected to the inhabitants. The presence of cherished items can create a sense of belonging and comfort, enhancing the overall atmosphere of the home. This emotional resonance is an essential aspect of creating a nurturing environment where individuals feel at ease and connected to their surroundings. Another advantage of wall-hanging shelves is their ease of installation and flexibility. Unlike traditional furniture pieces that may require significant effort to move or rearrange, wall shelves can be mounted and adjusted relatively easily. This allows homeowners to experiment with different layouts and configurations without the burden of heavy lifting or extensive effort. If tastes or needs change over time, wall shelves can be relocated or replaced with minimal hassle. This adaptability makes them an appealing choice for those who enjoy refreshing their decor regularly. Wall-hanging crafts, in particular, offer unique opportunities for artistic expression. Many woodworkers and artisans create custom pieces that showcase their craftsmanship and creativity. These handcrafted items can serve as conversation starters, reflecting the personality and interests of the homeowner. By incorporating unique wall-hanging crafts into their decor, individuals can distinguish their spaces from more conventional designs, adding a layer of individuality that resonates with visitors and inhabitants alike. The trend towards minimalism in home decor has also contributed to the popularity of wall-hanging shelves and wood crafts. Minimalist design emphasizes simplicity and functionality, often favoring open spaces and uncluttered surfaces. Wall-hanging shelves align perfectly with this philosophy, providing stylish storage solutions without overwhelming a room. By keeping surfaces clear and showcasing only essential or meaningful items, homeowners can create serene environments that promote relaxation and mindfulness. This focus on minimalism encourages individuals to thoughtfully curate their decor, ensuring that each piece serves a purpose and contributes to the overall aesthetic. Furthermore, wall-hanging shelves can enhance the overall functionality of a living space. They can be utilized for various purposes, including displaying plants that improve indoor air quality, storing kitchen essentials, or even organizing office supplies. This multifunctionality allows homeowners to tailor their spaces to meet their specific needs while maintaining an aesthetically pleasing environment. By investing in wall shelves, individuals can create versatile areas that adapt to their lifestyles and preferences. The emotional and psychological benefits of organized and visually appealing spaces should not be underestimated. Research has shown that cluttered environments can lead to increased stress and anxiety. By incorporating wall-hanging shelves and crafts, homeowners can create organized and visually pleasing spaces that promote a sense of calm and control. The act of curating and arranging items on shelves can be therapeutic, allowing individuals to engage with their environment in a meaningful way. This focus on creating a serene living environment can significantly enhance overall well-being and happiness. The growing trend of DIY and custom projects has also fueled interest in wall-hanging shelves and crafts. Many individuals enjoy engaging in hands-on activities that allow them to personalize their living spaces. This trend empowers homeowners to take control of their decor, whether by building their own shelves or selecting handcrafted pieces from local artisans. Engaging in DIY projects can foster a sense of accomplishment and creativity, leading to spaces that feel truly reflective of the individual's style and personality. This connection between the creator and the decor adds depth to the living environment, creating a space that resonates with authenticity. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, wall-hanging wooden shelves you can use to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.